Hello viewers, welcome to the video lecture of clean up our C drive okay, by using disk cleanup. The C drive is a very important drive in our system. A lot of our applications are installed and running from the C drive. This should be taken care of to improve our system's performance. One way to handle the efficiency of the C drive is disk cleanup. So we have lot of temporary files, internet cache files, and deleted files which are stored in this C drive. So we are going to use the disk cleanup option. Okay. So click your PC. Okay, your Windows Explorer will come. It will show the list of drives. So select your C drive and right click on it. Okay, you will have a pop-up menu. In this pop-up menu, select properties. So right click on C drive, select properties. In properties, you will have a space for the disk cleanup. Okay, we'll have a button of the disk cleanup. Then choose the button. It will shows, okay, it will how many space to be cleared from your C drive. So it shows you can use disk cleanup to free up to 1.04 GB of disk space on C drive. So next what you have to do, you have to select all the files. Okay, it will shows various files like recycling bin, temporary files, thumbnails, and everything it shows. Okay, so you have to select all the files and click the cleanup system files and click the cleanup system files. It will take few minutes. Okay, it will take few minutes. It says that disk cleanup is calculating how much space you will able to free on Windows C. This make few minutes to complete, so wait for it. It will take a few minutes to calculate. Okay, it's scanning the, because our C drive is huge, that's why it's scanning, and it shows a pop-up window like this. Okay, so totally it shows that you can use disk cleanup to free 11.1 GB of disk space on Windows C. So again, you have to select, okay, you have to select all the files. Okay, all the files got selected, and I have to hit the OK button. I have to hit the OK button. It now it asks, are you sure you want to permanently delete these files? And select delete files. Okay, now the disk cleanup will start the cleaning up process. So now all the files got deleted. The process is over. Okay, that's it. Okay, then and another way to go to the disk cleanup is, okay, in the search space you can explore, you can type disk cleanup. Okay, the app will appear. You can click the disk cleanup, and here you can choose the drive. Okay, for example, this time I'm choosing the my G drive. Okay, I'm selecting OK. It calculates space and shows that, okay, 5.2 GB, 5.2 MB of disk space available. Okay, then I have to clean. Then I'm selecting cleanup system files. Okay, I'm selecting the G colon, select OK. Okay, now I'm selecting the recycling bin. Okay, again ask me, are you want to permanently delete these files? I'm giving delete files. So again, the cleanup process will take few minutes now. Okay, the G colon also cleared. Okay, in this way, you will use the disk cleanup and as well as periodically clean the unwanted files. It will boost up your system's performance. Okay, that's it. Thanks for watching this video. Those here to subscribe my channel, kindly subscribe to my channel for the upcoming videos and continuous updates. Thank you.